What's up, guys? My name's OVEREXPOSED. You guys probably don't know that because I don't have that many subscribers yet. So, first thing in this video, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Anyway, this video is on editing. How to fix overexposed pictures with you using Lightroom, Snapseed, or whatever other application you can find on your phone. Alright, you can do it on computers too, but this video is not for computers, this video is for phones. So I'm going to try and make this as short as possible. The reason I'm making this video, I know other people have already done this, because there's like videos out there where they're like how to improve your editing or how to improve your photography, and this is one of them. But let's say you're out and took an overexposed picture and you want to fix that quickly. You want to go to YouTube, type how to fix this. Well, this video is for you guys, for that quick how to fix this problem. It's a common problem and we're going to fix it quickly using 2 steps in Lightroom. One will be free, one you'll have to pay for Lightroom to be able to do it, but the first one's free and easy and you can do it on whatever app you want. Second one is for pros. Let's do this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lightroom. I'm just going to scroll down to my picture. This is it here. I'm going to just reset everything so you can see that it was overexposed. Right, this is the overexposed picture. You can see in this corner here, it's very overexposed and we want that fixed. So the first method you're going to use, you're going to click on this little sunshine icon, take the highlights, drop it down. Then we're going to go to shadows, pump the shadows until that's really bright. Then you're going to drop exposure until you get some quality in the sky. Hit the shadows up a little bit more and that's pretty much done. That's like a lot better than it was. Then of course you can go into colors, blues, drop the blues down. Alright, blues are done. You can maybe do that a little bit, change the tone a little bit. You can take the greens, make them orange, and that gives you a pretty decent picture. Also, if you drop the yellows, you'll get some more detail in the sky. Drop the orange and you'll get even more detail, and possibly from red. No, then just add some of that there, some of that there, and there we go. That's a pretty decent picture. That's gram worthy, that. So yeah, that's what you can do with a few toggles within Lightroom. Now I'll show you the second method. This one will require that you have this little tool here called selective tool, and you need to pay for it. So let's do this. We'll just click there, click the pen tool, and basically what you want to do is just draw over the sky. So because it's such a big area, I'm just going to increase the size. Alright, then all you do, drop the highlights, drop exposure just a little bit, then click done, and there we go. That's basically it. So a little bit quicker, I guess, than the other method. The other thing, you can go a little bit more into detail with this one, and you can actually modify the colors right here. So you can make it more blue, you can make it more orange, give it more of a sunset vibe, make it more purple. You can add a color to it. Then you can go up here, change the clarity, maybe dehaze it. I would go this way, give it more detail in the sky. Click there. Then you can go here. If it's a noisy image, you just pull the noise up, get rid of the noise in the picture. Pretty easy. And yeah, that's how you do it. Pretty easy, eh? Pretty simple. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah. If you liked it, obviously, please click the like button. I'll really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see more like this, because I'll be releasing another video soon about underexposing. So if you want to fix underexposure, like that little corner there, I'll be showing you guys how to fix it without ruining your picture. So yeah, thanks a lot. See you guys next time. Cheers.